Matrix multiplication might look intimidating, but it is just a simple, systematic way of multiplying and adding numbers. Let's multiply these two matrices together to find our new result. We pair the first row with the first column. Multiply the matching numbers, then add them together to get the first result. Staying on the first row, we move to the second column, calculate the products, and add them up. We do the exact same calculation for the third column, completing the top row. Now we drop down to the second row of the first matrix, pairing it with the first column. We systematically continue this pattern. Row times column, multiply, and add. Finally, we apply this rule to the third and final row. With the last row and column matched and calculated, our new matrix is complete. And that is how you multiply matrices smoothly and perfectly.